and welcome. Today, we're going to focus on a beautiful landscape that we will use to symbolizes a life-influencing nugget of wisdom. I will not let anyone walk through my mind with their dirty feet. Its author, Mahatma Gandhi, famous for his peaceful resistance and wisdom, stressed the importance of protecting your mind and self-worth from negative influences. He believed that guarding your thoughts is crucial for inner peace and personal growth. As you look at the image on your screen, let's explore it together. We'll see how different parts of the image represent pieces of this wisdom. Doing this will help you create a strong mental anchor, making it easier for you to remember and use this wisdom in your daily life. Let's focus on this serene garden, enclosed by a charming low fence. We'll use this garden image to represent your mind, a place of peace, growth, and optimism. Now, look at how the pathway is inviting and well-kept. Imagine this pathway as a symbol of your positive and constructive thoughts. It guides you towards clarity and understanding within your mind. Now let's move our attention to the entrance of the garden. Do you see the vigilant guard standing at the gate? This guard represents the proactive protection of your mind, keeping negative influences out. If you listen carefully, you might even hear the guard mumbling, "I will not let anyone walk through my mind with their dirty feet." Now imagine someone walking on the path with dirty feet, leaving black footprints behind. This is where the guard steps in to turn away the negative influence and cleans the pathway, keeping it pristine. Use this image of the guard keeping the garden safe and serene as a reminder to keep harmful and life-limiting thoughts at bay. Without being aware and alert, limiting beliefs can sneak in and cause chaos. This can block your ability to use wisdom in your thoughts and hold back your personal growth and peace. By actively guarding against negative thoughts from others or yourself, you create a space where wisdom can truly grow and flourish. As you take in the background, feel the calmness of the soft blue sky, the gentle warmth of the sunlight, and the vibrant blooming flowers. These elements create a soothing environment and remind us that a mind free from dirty feet is free from negativity and the stress of unhealthy influences. Now, take a relaxing moment and imagine yourself in the garden. Notice the vibrant flowers and healthy trees around you. Let these flourishing plants symbolize the growth, positivity, and nurturing of your mind. Use this visualization as a reminder of the care and effort you've put into your mental and emotional well-being. Let it remind you to keep dirty feet out of your mind, blocking harmful influences from others and from your own limiting beliefs. Positive thoughts and attitudes can thrive when you protect yourself from negative and harmful influences. You can recall this image anytime, anywhere to remind yourself of the wisdom it holds. You have the power to protect your mind, maintain positivity, and reject negativity. You are the guardian of your mind, and you have the strength to keep it a place of peace and growth. Until next time, take care of your beautiful mind. To help embed wisdom, we created a mnemonic visualization that helps you access and use the wisdom message in your life. You can think of the image as a little memory trick, like sticky glue, making it easier for you to recall and apply this wisdom nugget in your daily life. Now let's turn that sticky glue into super glue. And that is, we turn initial memory to super sticky memory by first recognizing, number 1, understanding a nugget of wisdom is one thing. And number 2, embedding the wisdom message deep within your memory, so it's always accessible in both your conscious and subconscious mind, is another thing. To illustrate the difference between just knowing versus embedding, it's like knowing of a recipe versus being able to cook it from memory, or understanding a map versus being able to navigate without it, or learning a dance step versus performing it naturally. We'll explore a few ways to embed wisdom messages into your subconscious. The goal is to help make these wisdom messages an automatic response to life's challenges. Consider these tips for practicing and strengthening these wisdom messages so they become an automatic habits of thought. Practicing visualization deepens the wisdom message. Try practicing this visualization exercise at least 3 times during the first week. The more you practice, the more the visual symbols will help you deeply understand the wisdom nugget. Before long, when you face a challenge, this image will pop into your mind, guiding you to react wisely. Let's break wisdom practice down into 3 key steps to help you embrace and apply wisdom in your life. Step 1. Visualize the image. Close your eyes and picture each element of the image associated with the wisdom nugget. Step 2. Repeat the wisdom message. Recite the wisdom nugget in your mind as you visualize the image. Step 3. Apply it in life. Whenever you're in a situation that calls for wisdom, recall the appropriate image and the wisdom it represents. Let its message guide your actions and decisions. By practicing this visualization exercise regularly, you'll find it easier to recall and apply this powerful piece of wisdom in your daily life. So, no sense waiting around. Let's get started and embrace putting wisdom into action with courage and determination. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video on embedding wisdom in your life helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who could benefit from it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so you never miss out on new content. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions in the comments below. I read every single one, and your feedback really helps shape future videos. If you enjoyed this topic, be sure to check out related videos for more insights on living a wise and fulfilling life. And stay tuned for the next video, where we'll dive into something you won't want to miss. Thanks again for watching, and as always, keep growing in wisdom and living your best life. See you next time.